Hello everybody, how you doing? Shavua Tov, good week. In Hebrew, Asaf is here, your tour guide for the Israeli Trail, Keren Yesod. I don't know if you know, but I'm pretty busy guiding another group for the next 2 weeks. So I won't be able to send you too much information until then. But I want to share with you the trail, the benefactors trail from the Druze village of Usfia all the way to Kibbutz Yagur on the Mount Carmel. It's not very long. It's about 7, 8, 9 kilometers altogether, but it's pretty steep. It combined from about 13 or 14 waterfalls with leathers, and I think it's pretty cool. So have a look. I hope you enjoy, and I'll promise to send you a lot more videos and information about the trail or different trails of the 2022 Israeli Trail, Shvil Israel of Keren Yesod, that is coming this October. I'm getting excited. All the best for now. Bye.
The young ones, darling, we're the young ones, and the young ones shouldn't be afraid to live low while the flame is strong, 'cause we may not be the young ones very long. Tomorrow, why wait until tomorrow? 'Cause tomorrow sometimes never comes. So love me, there's a song to be sung, and the best time is to sing it while we're young. Once in every lifetime comes a love like this. Oh, I need you and you need me. Oh, my darling, can't you see? Young dreams should be dreamed together, and a young heart shouldn't be afraid. And someday, when the years have flown, darling, then we'll teach the young ones of our own